An investment club is a group of individuals who pool their financial resources to invest collectively in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment opportunities. Starting an investment club can be a rewarding way to learn about investing, share knowledge, and potentially achieve financial growth as a team. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start an investment club. Define the purpose and goals. Before gathering potential members, define the purpose and goals of the investment club. Determine whether the club's focus will be on long-term growth, income generation, or a mix of both. Establish clear investment objectives and risk tolerance levels that align with the members' financial goals. Recruit members. Invite friends, family, or colleagues who share a genuine interest in investing to join the investment club. Seek individuals who have varied levels of investing knowledge and expertise, as diversity in perspectives can lead to well-rounded investment decisions. Set up a legal structure. Decide on a legal structure for the investment club. The most common options are a general partnership or a limited liability company, LLC. Consult with a legal professional to understand the tax implications and liability considerations associated with each structure. Establish club bylaws. Create a set of bylaws that outline the club's rules, guidelines, and decision-making processes. The bylaws should cover important aspects such as member contributions, voting procedures, meeting frequency, and how investment decisions will be made. Determine the initial investment amount. Decide on the initial investment amount that each member must contribute to join the club. This amount should be affordable for all members and can be adjusted as the club grows. Open a club account. Open a bank or brokerage account in the name of the investment club. All club funds should be held in this account to facilitate transactions and ensure transparency. Conduct research and education. Encourage all members to participate actively in the investment process. Conduct research on potential investments and discuss investment strategies during regular club meetings. Host educational sessions to improve members' understanding of financial markets and investment concepts. Set investment guidelines. Establish clear investment guidelines to govern the types of securities the club can invest in. Decide on the asset allocation, risk management approach, and diversification strategy that the club will follow. Execute investment decisions. Make investment decisions as a group based on thorough research and discussions. Implement the chosen investment strategy and monitor the performance of the portfolio regularly. Review and evaluate. Hold regular meetings to review the club's investments and assess the portfolio's performance against the established goals. Discuss any necessary adjustments to the investment strategy based on changing market conditions or individual financial circumstances. Starting an investment club provides a valuable opportunity to learn about investing, foster camaraderie among members, and potentially achieve financial success together. As with any financial venture, there are risks involved, so it's essential to establish a well-structured approach and emphasize the importance of ongoing education and collaboration. By following these steps and maintaining open communication within the club, you can create a supportive and successful investment community.